Hello guys, my man in the Wilson Sunday Go. Welcome back to another unboxing. How are you guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We'll unbox is ooh. So look at the packaging, guys. This one is through Apple Store. And this one's from AT&T. So the Apple box is more secured. Look at that one. I had to get mine through AT&T. This one through AT&T because I am up for an upgrade and it's cheaper if I'll get it there. While on the other hand, my husband has to get it from Apple Store because he paid this in full. We are now gonna be unboxing the new 256 gig white iPhone 11. Let's see. Are you excited? So, ooh, the sound of that new smell of a phone. This time it's in white. You ready? Oh my gosh, it looks so pristine. I wish I could have gotten a white one. This is my husband's phone, but look at that. You don't need any more case for this because it looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yep, this is the new 11 one. iPhone 11. All right, let's see what's inside. We have same thing, stickers, and the guide, and the headphone, the wired headphone, or the AirPod. Yeah, they call this the AirPod with the wire, and the same. Wow. Okay, this is the USB. This is the USB, the regular charger for iPhones. So that's how it looks. Yep, this is the white 256 iPhone 11. Yep, here you go. The feature itself, look at the white one. I really love the white one. Oh my goodness. Cool. Thank you all for watching. And remember, choose happy. Bye guys.